Log into GoProof and from the user menu in the top right hand corner select Manage Workflows. This will open a new Manage Workflows tab. Click New Workflow to start the process. Enter a workflow name and select whether the new workflow will be specific to a client or available to all clients. User permissions allow the proof sender to add, edit or remove users during the sending process. Then click Create. Click on the pen icon to enter the first stage name. Then click on the disk icon to save. Next you must click the Add Group button. Give your group a name. Then select a finishing trigger to move the proof along the workflow. This could be a single collaborator or all collaborators are required to finish. Next we need to add our collaborators to our group. Either add an existing collaborator from the list or enter an email address to create a new one. Once the collaborators are added, click Done. To add the next stage in the workflow, click the Add Stage button and repeat the previous process. The last stage in the workflow will require gatekeeper permissions. This is in order for the gatekeeper to return the proof back to the designer. Make sure to select any gatekeepers by changing the collaborator's role to gatekeeper. Click Done to finish configuring your workflow. In order to send a proof using a workflow, send a proof in the usual way. Make sure to select a client that the workflow is applied to. On the next screen, select the Workflow option. Ensure that the required workflow is selected in the first drop-down. A breakdown of the workflow steps are displayed below. Next, you can enter an optional email notification message. This will be included in the new proof email notification that is sent to your collaborator. Click the Send and View Proof button. Your proof has now been sent to the first stage within your workflow. A proof sender can check which stage within the workflow the proof is currently at. Within the list view, hover your mouse over your selected proof to see which stage you're at. A solid blue blob means the proof has already passed through that stage. The current stage is a white blob with a blue ring. Within the tile view, again you can see the stages. A grey blob means that the proof has passed through the stage, whereas a solid black blob means the proof is currently at that stage. For a further breakdown, click on the information icon. On this screen you can see each of the workflow stages, the current active stage and the involvement of all of the collaborators so far.